Hey guys, good morning. Just want to give you an update on our Automata project here. And I went ahead and wrote up a rubric for you guys so you can check it out. A majority of your points, as you can see, are coming from just meeting the constraints that I had listed from that video. There's a couple more I just wanted to go through, and that's the build and design and construction. So making sure that it cranks very nicely and smoothly, and the followers are kind of working as they should. So that's part of it. And I did change the date of this being due until the 31st, which of course that is the Tuesday of spring break. So if you need some more time in kind of putting it together, as I gave you some better suggestions yesterday, people had some questions on kind of what to make things out of. That should help out with that. I also have the sketch included in there. So if you want to make another sketch that does a little bit better of a job, again, you can make this on plain white paper. It doesn't have to be on anything special. I would actually prefer it to be on some plain white paper. Or if you have like leftover isometric, you can certainly make it on that. But we should have some straight lines. It should look like you actually put some effort into this sketch. And if it's more of a sketch after, that's that's fine too. I'm also looking for a description of what's happening with your project. Some of you included that in as I asked for in your sketch, but I want it to be pretty detailed in how the cams will be interacting and kind of tell me a little bit about the of why you chose maybe that cam shape specifically. Okay, in terms of why did you choose a pear shape here? Why did you choose a snail cam? Right? What was the purpose of that? And then finally, just the video. I did say that it would be kind of cool if some of you maybe provided some music or sounds that relate well to your project. So of course, if you're doing something with a video game, maybe you can have the video game music behind that. Or if it has something to do with the ocean or nature, maybe some nature sounds and things like that to kind of give it some more character, right? So try to think of those things to include. There is what to turn in. So I'm just asking for maybe a bunch of different projects around here, maybe some inspirations that you had. Here's your design and sketch. So the sketch is over here and there's your description, which of course that'll be in your grade. And then a nice isometric view of your project here and then a video. So your actual video, I would recommend that you do upload it to YouTube, and if you have the option, make sure that you're making sure we're uploading with the best quality. Some of the videos eventually I've seen on YouTube are not so good quality when some students hand those in. So do your best. Use a good cell phone. Any cell phone within the last 3 or 4 years is going to record good video. If all you have at home is a computer, is your Chromebook, I still think that'll take a decent video. But of course, hopefully one of your parents has a cell phone that will record video as well. And if you have questions, go ahead and send me an email. And I hope you guys are staying healthy. And yeah, we'll see what we do after spring break. We got a different unit planned. It'll probably be more day-to-day work, just so you know. But that is it. And if I don't hear from you within the next 2 days, try to enjoy what you can of your spring break. Take care.